Hi, Les Druven here with another video for the course HVAC 1022. This video discusses determining the equivalent length and the equivalent width of a odd-shaped basement. In order to calculate the heat loss through basement walls, Canadian Standards Association, CSA, has developed Excel spreadsheets that help us do this. However, the software only works if the basement is in a rectangular or square shape. And secondly, the input information must be in metric. So we'll look at both of these. Now, if you have a square or a rectangular basement, then you don't have to do this, use this formula, because of course you've already got a square or rectangle and you can simply measure those distances. However, in the case of an odd shape, such as this small basement here, we would need to use this formula and so calculate equivalent length and width. I've already measured the exposed perimeter and calculated the area. So we will simply fill this information into the formula. So firstly, our area for the basement is 638 square feet. And the exposed perimeter is 109.5 feet. And now you would simply start filling in the variables. I strongly suggest not to skip any steps. In this way you can avoid making errors. And always remember, you must continue to carry this division by 4 down to the bottom. At this point, make sure that this number here is smaller than this number. In other words, you cannot have a negative value under the square root sign. If you have a negative number, then you've made an error, so don't bother going any further. So the equivalent length for this basement would be 37.93 feet. In order to calculate the equivalent width, simply divide the area by your calculated length. And so we get 16.82 feet. So our imperial length is 37.93 feet, and our imperial width is 16.82 feet. In order to convert these two distances to metric, simply multiply by the conversion factor of 0.3048. As a result, we get 11.56 meters for the length and 5.13 meters for the width.